You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bug.
Alright, y'all. I see a bunch of cars out here making a bunch of noise. And I'm gonna go across the street and see what they got over here. There's a little gathering. People keep going up and down the strip. They've been doing this for about the past hour while I was working. And I ain't seen or heard no cops yet. I don't know if that's the norm out here, but I'm gonna go see what these cars look like, get a little footage, and share it with y'all. Nothing too special. Just pull a little meet together, and they got some cars out here. I'm gonna show y'all. S14, right-hand drive. Got this BRZ. Corolla XSE. Got a Stang. The biker's chilling over there. G35 off the cut, but that Lambo though. I'm gonna get a closer shot for that. Charger. And across the street, we all American muscle guys chilling, being quiet. But basically, everybody had just doing pulls. Guys about to roll out. No burnout? Oh, okay. So, I'm gonna end the video out here showing y'all this. Hey, thank y'all for watching. As always, a little short video. I'm a little meet here in Pensacola. So, that's it. Have a good one.